Fuck. Okay, they literally rolled. Wait, can I show this lobby? I can, right? Fine.
I don't know.
I think I can. It's fine, probably.
I mean, that would be sad if they just.
They flipped a coin to see the winner. That's pretty funny, but I don't know. It's weird because this is the leak we got. Okay, go flip it. We call tails. The Spartan. Seb says okay. Seb flipped the coin heads. Fuck. No tail says easy. GG easy. So I guess that's it. Are they not playing? Wait, we gotta wait and find out what the fuck is happening. Let's see what Spartan says. Yeah, we agreed. With OG and admins. Oh, okay. I mean, you know, it's a shame we don't see more Dota today, but yeah.
The thing is, you know, this is probably happening because of some fucking ritual with McDonald's, right?
You know, it's fucking. I was gonna say it's fucking McDonald's, dude. I want to say, like, I'm disappointed, but I also get why. You have to understand why the players do this. Is because it's for seeding in a different qualifier. Like, it does not matter that much. Like, the game matters a little bit.
It might not even be for seeding, depending on the.
Yeah,
the seeding doesn't matter. Like, it might be for seeding, but the seeding doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because it's random.
It might be, yeah. I mean, sorry, this season or whatever.
It would be kind of weird if you do it after Christmas.
Gold's qualifier. Here, yeah, we see it. OG and Monaspa are through. They're gonna play on the 19th. Yeah, 7 days.
The thing is,